Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is doing well. So again, as usual, I have come up with a beautiful collections. Okay, so please, if you are watching my video for the first time, please click like button and click subscribe button and at the bell icon and make it all, then only you will get the new updates. Okay, so and please do comment below. I need your comments and suggestions to grow and improve according to your suggestions. Your suggestions and comments are welcome. So without much further delay, let's go to the video. So this is, look at this beautiful dress. I think there will be a demand for this dress because it's such a beautiful one. See, isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. So let's go to the details. It's a pure cotton cloth with the total embroidery, that is Lucknowi work, and at the yoke part it has a light gota detailing. You can see here it's only a little light shiny it is, and it has all over work. You can see all, it has total floral motifs. Such a beautiful one, really. And see, it looks like a coat type, but it is not. It is detached, it is attached only, and it has a string here. You can see, you can adjust it according to your waist. Really, it looks shapy also if you wear it. And hands are 3/4 sleeves, sorry, and it has border also here and flower motifs on the sleeves. Okay, and this dress costs you 800 plus shipping, and the size is XL, and let me measure, and it goes up to 40 bust. Okay, and let me tell you the length also. According to that you can buy easily. And the length is 54. Okay, so let's go to the next dress. Again, one more beautiful top. See, such a beautiful print it is. It is all over block print kurti it is, and it has 3 buttons, but they are not openable. Only the first one is openable, so you can happily wear it. And it has a collar with 1 button, and the sleeves are 3/4. You can see, have a look, 3/4 sleeves. And its flare, it is up to, the flare will be up to 3 meters, and it has a string also to adjust at the waist, and the size is L40. Okay, so you can take according to your size, and it is of ankle length, and for the tall people it will come above up to calf length also. The size is L, and it costs you 650 plus shipping. And I have one more shade in this. The print and everything is same, but the shade is sea green. So the next one is beautiful coral shade. It is really, it's a very pretty with the all over print. You can see It is also a block printed one. Behind also it has print, and here also, and it has 3 buttons detailing here, and the neck is round. Okay, and it has also strings to adjust, and the sleeves are 3 by 4th. You can see. Such a beautiful one. And the size is L. The price is same, 650 plus shipping. And let me measure the length also once. And the length of this dress is 44 to 45. And I have one more shade also. This is also a very beautiful shade, and the print and everything is different. I will show you. It is a gray one which is high in demand. So have a look. Okay, sorry, the print is same. I got confused, and the print and everything is same. Okay, it has also the round neck with 3 buttons and 3 by 4th sleeves. Okay, and the length is same, 45, and it has also the strings on the both sides at the waist, and it costs you 650 plus shipping. And the next dress is the USB for this video. Such a beautiful one. You can have a look. It's a brown color, full top with the slit at the center. See, you can see, have a look. It's really such a pretty one, guys. Really, I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. And it has all over embroidery. You can see. And behind also it has full embroidery. Okay. And it's a 2-piece set. It has a pants also. And the sleeves are, see, the sleeves are more than 3 by 4th. Okay, and on the sleeves also it has total embroidery. The embroidery is like it's a Kashmiri work. You can have a close look. It's a Kashmiri work. See, such a pretty one, and it has a detailing also here. And the thing is, it has buttons. Let me show you clearly. See, it has openable buttons here, so you can use it as a feeding kurti also, because it has all buttons. That too very close the buttons are. See, very close, one by one. It's very close to each other, and they are openable also. See, such a pretty one. Okay, and let me show you the pants also. Same, the total embroidery. It is really, it's a pretty one. You can use it as a party wear also. You're gonna, and it has pockets also. You can see. See, you can keep your mobile, purse and all in this. Okay, and one more thing, friends, the elastic is very broad. If you wear it, it is going to hide your tummy also. Nice. So let me give you the proper look of this dress. See, the dress will be like this, and the pants. If you want, you can pair it up with contrast color also, like mehndi green and coral light red color pants also, because it has this those color embroidery you can see here. Okay, and it costs you 1150 plus shipping, and the cloth is cotton. Yeah. And the size is double XL. It goes up to bust size 42. And see, friends, look at this beautiful Georgette cloth. Okay, and it is in peach color with olive green border here with the embroidery on it, and it has button detailing here. These are not openable, it's just for a show. Okay, and it has all over embroidery. See, you can see here. And the thing is, it's a georgette cloth and it has a self design also. Have a close look, see lines. Georgette self design cloth it is. Okay, and really I'm telling you, it looks sober and you look stunning if you go to office wearing this. Okay, you can use it for meetings and all. Really you look different by you wearing this. And the sleeves are, see, full sleeves, and on the sleeves also it has border of this olive green cloth. Okay, the pattern of this dress is, it has pleats on the both sides. See, here and here. Okay, and the size is M. It goes up to 38 bust and it costs you 850 plus shipping. And again, look at this beautiful sea green color top with the total golden color thread embroidery it has. Have a close look. See, it has a round neck, okay, with buttons, and these are not openable. It is like this, okay, and it is also a frilled top, like a frock type pattern it is, and it has two pockets also. You can have a look. See, and it has a lot of flare also. Its flare is around 4 meters. Okay, and it has total button detailing top to bottom. The pattern it is. Okay, and the size is M. It goes up to 38 bust and the cost is 650 plus shipping. Final one is such a beautiful peach color kurti, and it is totally different. Have a look. It has total net here on the yoke part. Have a look. Such a beautiful one it is. And the sleeves are also with the net, and the cloth is little bit stretchy, friends. See, you can have a look. It's a stretchy cloth. See, it's a stretchy one. Okay, and it has a fringe detailing at the bottom. You can have a look. It looks trendy and it is suitable for college going girls. Really, it's such a beautiful one. Have a look. And it is also the panelled one. It's not the umbrella one. It's a panelled top. Okay, and the size is M. It goes up to 34 bust, and I am telling you, really you look stunning by wearing this, because it has the net detailing on the yoke and the hands also, and the cloth is stretchy, so it hugs to you and you will look curvy also by wearing this. Okay, and it has a trendy fringe at the bottom also. Okay, and the size is M, goes up to 34 bust, and the cost is 550 plus shipping. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you liked my products. And whatever products you like, please WhatsApp me on the number 9656775528, and you can follow me on Instagram also. Actually, I won't get time to update Instagram, but I will try my level best to update my products on that, so that you can follow me through that also. My Instagram ID is jss_collections123, and please like, share and subscribe to my video, and please do comment below so that I can grow and improve more. Okay, so have a nice day, stay safe and stay positive, because positive mind leads to many things. So please stay healthy and positive. Bye bye.